wasn't nothing, just that I was, busy with family and that's how you guys make my vlog. Okay, so in today's video, I want to share with you guys how to use yourself DIY like background. Okay, I can't really say that this is DIY because I got the background. So I think 7 days ago I shared with you guys my unboxing of the background that I got because I don't need to kind of sharing my background. Like you guys can see this wall, you see this wall right here that is white, but I actually like the background that I can use to cover it that I can also as well change whenever or any day whichever way out that I want and all of that. So in today's video I want to show you guys how I can fix the background because I want to show you guys what is inside the box. I just go ahead and fix it to show you guys how to do it. But if you are watching then as well, okay, kind of tutorial like background tutorial for beginner, so this is kind of beginner training and I can tell you guys that I got this video, okay. I'll also be using my Canon like how to bring the video and all of that so that you guys can see the because this my lens cannot see the down and the rest of the video. This one will be using the thing. So just keep watching. I wanna be great. I'm gonna be so good. It's never too late. Okay. I don't want to open it here. Like this is basically how the leg is looking like. This is how the legs are looking like inside. Inside we have the four that you can use to hang the curtain. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this out. Bring this one out here. Okay. Then I'm also this is the leg here. And I also have this one here.
Way back a year ago, I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself.
Okay guys, how far I have gone with the settings, you guys can see I've already fixed it. So I'm trying to kind of make sure that I just mount it. Okay, so this is right here, you guys can see. I'm gonna also raise it up, like take it up. You can take it to any amount, okay, any height you want. So I'm just kind of trying to finish putting the other side, but this one here is so big, like it's very very long. I don't really know, I think it's 2x3, something like that. I don't know. Okay, I don't know about it. So it's very very long. It's kind of a full room. I don't know how to describe it. So let me show you guys So guys, there is something that I found out one certain time like you guys remember the unboxing, I also showed you guys that it comes with three cloths: green, white, and black. Okay, so it also comes with three clips. Okay, but there is this amazing thing, like this amazing thing that I found out after unboxing it. So I found out that the green screen, like the cloth inside there, was not just ordinary cloth, but also a cotton, like a form, like form of cotton. Okay, you guys know the cotton that you can, put it in the rope and hang it. So that's basically how it looks like. Okay, so before I go ahead to finish tying the other one, I just really want to show you guys how to put it. Like, this cloth is very big. I didn't expect it to be this big. Like, it's so huge. I was even thinking that it's gonna be like something very little. Even in my unboxing, I also said that. So this is basically how it looks like. Okay, inside here you can actually put this thing here inside and hang it. Even when it comes to the thread clip, I was like, okay, if I should use the thread clip up, then which one am I going to use to straighten the background, like, to make it, even if it's crumpled, it will be noticeable. So I just found out, I think that was on Saturday last week, that you can actually put it inside here if you don't want to, hang it and all of that. Because this is my first time of using it, I don't really know how it works. So I'm going to show you guys what the exact thing that I mean about that.
Any minute, going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in, 'cause I've been living life right, like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light. Alright, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end.
So guys, this is how the longer this thing is looking like. Okay, so you guys see where it stopped. Let me zoom it in. So this is the length of it. You guys can see it's very long, and this is actually, like, I don't know how to get the whole full details because it's very long. It didn't even, the cotton didn't even cover all the the ring, but you can as well adjust it. If you still want, you can put this length to that place. If you don't want, you can as well remove the first rod, or you remove the center one and connect it with the last one and mount it, because you guys can see here is so big. Like, this is how it's actually looking like. So this is the floor. Okay, so this is what the floor is looking like. Let me show you guys what is left after we fix it. So this backdrop is very big. Look at it, even covered the floor so well. Like, if I'm doing my video or my makeup tutorial, basically I'm not gonna like leave this like this. So I'm just basically gonna use, I'm not gonna leave everything up to that side. So I'll just like make it very shorter and leave it according to how it should fit the frame, because this is so big. Okay, this you can actually use this to divide room. But one thing I love most about this is that the fact that if I don't want it to be too long this way, I can actually remove the center one, join it, or put only two or one in the middle, something like that. Since it's 4, I can always be using 3. So this is how what we are working on. If I still want to change the background, I can as well change to this white, and I can as well again change to the black. So this is how it's looking like. So guys, this is actually what it's looking like. Okay, like I showed you guys with my other camera, if I want, I can still clip it like I have the clip in my unboxing, and also in this video that I have three different clips. Okay, you guys see the length is actually long, like you can actually use it to divide the room if you want, but the thing is that I'm gonna make it shorter, put it shorter, but I can recommend this for a beginner because I am not regretting buying it this way, because it's very helpful. Like for example, maybe I have my big studio and I actually want to use one portion to be doing my fashion, background. I can actually use this to divide it. One side will be fashion and one side will be my makeup tutorial. Okay, so if I actually want, I can still clip it. It's so painful that this camera is not like showing the full details. Okay, but I've used the other one to capture the rest, so I can adjust it, do everything. This is actually perfect for beginners. Like I said, it's actually perfect for beginners who are just starting, okay, to do video. If you don't want to, if you have one room, or I actually have 3 rooms. Okay, if you have one room, you can actually use this to divide it. I still have, when it comes to the background, I still have 2 extra options, white and black. But there is something that I love so much about this backdrop. I'll be using black for my makeup tutorial. You see that white right there? I don't think I have the strength for now, but later I'll figure out how to use it on my makeup tutorial. But I'm gonna like focus on this black one. That's gonna be my main backdrop for my makeup tutorial. Then for the green, I can actually use it for my sit down talk videos, like when I sit down to talk and all of that. So this is basically how it's actually looking like when you finally fix it, and I'm so excited. So as you guys can see, if I am far from this, my camera can actually blur the background. You guys cannot be seeing all these lines that are here because or maybe if I do it shorter, I can actually use this clip to hold one side there, one side there. It's like cutting, okay? It's like cutting, so I can actually do my fashion. When I have it on, I can actually do my fashion clothing and everything, like showcase like this. So that's basically all of that. So that's it, and I'm so excited that I was able to show you guys how it's looking like, how to fix it and all of that. So I'm gonna start creating, like we're in the mood of creating now, and everything has passed. And yeah, so I hope you all enjoy watching it. So if you do, please don't forget to subscribe in the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.
Highs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.